Hey there folks, it's Adam here with an update. We're working on a forecast map right now, and there is some pretty darn strong storms in the Algonquin Park area that are tracking to the east, potentially towards Pembroke, towards Petawawa, maybe Deep River, but it might miss to the south. But this, as you can see, this next cluster that shows up this afternoon looks pretty intense. And as you can see, it all starts to amalgamate together and head towards the Ottawa region. So there is actually some isolated tornado potential today, damaging wind gusts, isolated flooding, frequent lightning, hail. The main mix of things that we deal with when it comes to severe storms. So let me just hit pause on this radar right here. So this is our free app, Instant Weather. If you haven't downloaded it yet, please go to instantweatherapp.com and you can choose Android or Apple, and it will take you right to the App Store. So as you can see, that storm right there south of Brent, west of Archray, I believe, it is pretty potent at this point in time. It looks like there's some very strong winds on there, damaging wind gusts, and there is a little bit of isolated tornado potential even at this early hour right now. Me filming this video at 18 after 11. So we are watching that closely. I'm going to zoom out so that people in other areas can see what's happening here. Some development as well too, possibly in the GTA and Sudbury areas, as well as a little bit to the east. So this future radar, this is the upgrade radar package that gives you 5 hours, and it goes up to 4:15 p.m. this afternoon. But more storm development is possible. There might be some development possible in southwestern Ontario as well too, and we're going to be watching that very closely. So it looks like another busy day we're going to be dealing with here, and Ottawa seems to be kind of in the crosshairs of that big cluster of storms there. So that could be interesting, and it could be potentially dangerous. So we are going to be watching very closely. Other than that, we have more potential later this week, but we'll have to see exactly how that goes. I think there's some potential on Sunday, and we kind of have to take this day by day when we're dealing with severe thunderstorm potential several times in a row here. But if you are in the path of these storms, they could be severe and they could potentially be dangerous. So we will be watching them very closely. Again, if you haven't downloaded the app, please do so. We are working on a forecast map right now, and we will have that updated as soon as possible, and we will be watching these storms very closely. I don't know if you saw the live stream last night. I did about 2.5 hours till about 2 in the morning. My 3-year-old had me up at 6:30, and I'm still going strong on coffee. So cross your fingers I don't just fall asleep in the middle of the day at some point in time, but we'll do our best to cover these storms the best that we can. And again, if you haven't downloaded our free app, please do so. instantweatherapp.com. It's free. It's a great price. Free. Thank you very much, folks, and we'll be watching closely. More updates coming soon. Bye-bye.